Here we have a 2004 Yukon having a problem with the ignition. As you can see, the key will not turn forward or come back. Stuck. In a few minutes we'll repair that problem and show you the results. Thank you. Now we have that same Yukon. We just got the cylinder out. In a few minutes we'll repair it. Okay, we're back at that same Yukon. Just finished repairing the ignition cylinder. For this particular job, we didn't have to replace the cylinder, which saved the customer money. As you can see, right now, turns, key comes out, turns like it's supposed to. You have any questions, you give us a call.